See friends, in this session we will discuss some other problems. See friends, first problem what it has given 9, 9, 12, 20, 35. See friends, 9, 9, 12, 20, 35. See friends, in the previous sessions I told you, observe here whether the difference is more or less. Here the difference is very less. Then it may be addition or subtraction. Here number is increasing, so it should be a addition. See friends, here what is the difference? 0. Here what is the difference? 3. Here what is the difference? 8. Here what is the difference? 15. Next we should find what will be here. See friends, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 15, 35. Then here also addition only. See friends, what is the logic behind this? Plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. See friends, odd number from 3 onwards he is adding. Here 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Then 15 plus 9 equal to 24. Then go for addition. 35 plus 24 how much? 59. See friends, answer is 59. How easy it is? Don't confuse it. You just take the difference and find out the logic behind the difference. Then answer automatically we will get. And at the same time, first we have to identify whether the difference is less or difference is more. If the difference is less, then it may be a addition or subtraction. If the difference is more, then it is a definitely a multiplication. So here difference is very less. I found it as a addition. 3, 5, 7, 9, 24. See friends, like this we can do it easily. See friends, second problem. 9, 11, 16, 26 dash 69. See friends, whatever the problem, we have to go for a difference. Then easily we can understand what is going. See friends, what is the difference? 2. Here what is the difference? 5. Here what is the difference? 10. Here we don't know. Here we don't know. See friends, here 2 into 5 is not the multiple of 2. See friends, 5 is not the multiple of 2. So again you go for difference. Here difference is 3. Here difference is 5. That means 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Maybe this 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number. It may be 7 here. See friends, maybe 7 because here it is not the big numbers. These small numbers only. Maybe addition or subtraction only. See friends, this is the odd number series. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Maybe 17. See friends, 26 plus 17 how much? 43. Then 3, 5, 7. Next what will come? 9. Then 17 plus 9 how much? 26. Here 26. That means 43 plus 26 should be 69. 43, 26 how much? 69. 69. Then this is the correct series. First difference is 2, 5, 10, 17. Then again he is adding odd numbers. See friends, 2 plus 3, 5. Next odd number 5. Again 5 plus 5, 10. Next odd number 7. 10 plus 7, 17. Next odd number 9. 17 plus 9, 26. Then he is adding 26 to 43, then 69. So answer is 43. See friends, next problem. What he has given? 3, 4, 10, 33, 136. See friends, no need to write again. Straight away above the problem itself we can write it. 3 into 1 plus 1. 4 into 2 plus 2. 10 into 3 plus 3. 33 into 4 plus 4. Here 136 into 5 plus 5. See friend, this is the series, correct series only na? Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5. So answer is 136 into 5 plus 5. Go for calculation. 136 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15 plus 3 18. 5 1 are 5 plus 6. 680 plus 5, 685. So answer is 685. See friends, nothing is there. By seeing the problem itself, we can go to the answer. When we will get this type of thoughts, when we have practiced more number of problems, when we have done more number of problems, when we have gone through the more number of problems, then easily we will get this solution. See friends, while seeing the problem itself, if you go through this type of problems 4-5 times in our practice sessions, then easily we will get this type of thoughts. See friends, next problem. See friends, 7, 20, 13, 26, 19. See friends, one time it is increasing and another time it is decreasing. Again increasing, again decreasing. See friends, if this type of series given, then definitely there should be a subtraction and addition. See friends, continuously increasing means addition. Continuously decreasing means subtraction. There may be a increasing and decreasing means definitely addition and subtraction should be there. See friends, 7, 20, 13, 26, 19, then what? See friends, what is the first we should write the difference. See friends, here difference is 13. That means plus 13. Then here difference is, see friends, here difference is minus 7. Again difference is plus 13. Again difference is 7. That means minus 7. See friend, here plus 13. Here minus 7. Again plus 13. Minus 7. That means here plus 13. See friends, plus 13 minus 7. Plus 13 minus 7. Then plus 13. 19 plus 13 how much? 32. So answer is 32. See friends, again I am telling you, if the series is increasing and decreasing means definitely there should be a addition or subtraction. It should be a addition or subtraction. And if the continuously it is increasing, it is addition. It is continuously decreasing, it is a subtraction. When the difference is very small, then only it is a addition or subtraction. If the difference is much, then there should be a multiplication or square or cube. So like this we have to solve the problem. See friends, now the answer is 32. See friends, next problem. 6, 3, 3, 6, 24, then what? See friends, go for difference. Here minus 3, 0, 3, 18. No relation is there here. Here again plus 3, here plus 3, then plus 3 means 6, but here it is 18. Then no addition. If you go for minus also, minus 1 means here it should be minus. Then here 0. So addition is, subtraction is not there. Then go for multiplication. When 6 will become 3, 6 into 0.5 equal to 3. Then 3 when will become 3? 3 into 1 equal to 3. See friends, 3 when 3 will become 6, 3 into 2 equal to 6. Then 6 when will it become 24? 6 into 4 equal to 24. See friends, we will check the what is the relation between this. 0.5, then 1, 2, 4. What is the relation between them? Into 2, into 2, into 2, then into 2. 4 into 2, 8. Then we should multiply 24 with 8. Then what is the answer? 8 4s are 32. 8 2s are 16 plus 3, 9. So 19. So answer is 192. See friends, we have to check the difference between the numbers. Then we will understand what is there. Either it is a multiplication or addition or subtraction, maybe division. Here there is no chance of addition and subtraction. No chance for a division also. See friend, no chance of division also. See here 6 by 2, 3, okay. Then 3 by 1, 3, okay. These two conditions, okay. But here from here 3, how it will become 6? If you go for 1, 3, go for 2, again 1.5. So 6 won't come. 6 won't come from here. Division also not correct. So multiplication only chance. Then 6 into 0.5, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 4, 24. Here also not 3 came. 1, 2, 3 not came. So something is there. Then 0.5 when will become 1 into 2. 1 when it will become 2 into 2. 2 when will become 4 into 2. 4 when will become 8 into 2. Then go for multiplication with these numbers. Then 24 into 8 equal to 192. Then answer is 192. Next problem. 7, 10, 16, 28, 52, 100. Then what? See friends, 7, 10, 16, 28, 52, 100. Then what? Go for difference. Here friends 3, here 6, here 12, then here 24, then here 48. See friends, then what is the difference here? See friends, what is the relation between this? 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 12 into 2, 24, 24 into 2, 48, 48 into 2, 96. What he is doing? Plus 3, plus 6, plus 12, plus 24, plus 48, then plus 96. Then answer is 196. See friends, don't confuse in exam. You just concentrate on the difference. Difference itself, it will give the answer. Friends, difference itself, it will show the way to get the answer. So your answer is 196. Nothing I have done. Just I have taken the difference and I have find the relation between the difference. It is 196. It is the answer.